Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to share about facial cleanser. A right facial cleanser can help you a lot with dealing your skin issues. So without any further ado, let's get started. People with oily skin always hunt down the best of the best face wash that would remove every layer of the oil from the skin. However, that is a completely wrong step. Oil secretion from the skin is a natural function of the skin which one can't change. When you remove the oily layer of the skin as a mechanism, skin produces more oil, making your skin even more shiny and greasy. Therefore, you must choose a facial cleanser which removes the adequate layer of oil but does not completely strip out the face moisture. Here are the top 10 best face wash for oily and acne prone skin. All the products shown in this video are linked in the description box if you want to buy them. So, number 1 is Cetaphil Oil Skin Cleanser. This cleanser is oil-free and doesn't clog the pores. It removes excess sebums, which is the main cause of acne and breakouts. With regular use, your skin feels incredibly good because it deep cleans the face due to its purifying properties. Totally worth a try. Number 2 is Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash. This mild, oil-free dermatested wash from Neutrogena will leave your skin clean and supple after every wash without stripping off the skin natural moisture. Number 3 is Aroma Magic Mint Cleanser. This mint cleanser is specially formulated for oily and irritated skin type because it contains soothing properties. It removes excess oil, prevents sebums, and will deep cleanse clogged pores, effectively fight from acne. So, number 4 is Proactive Deep Cleansing Wash. Yes, it is costly but very effective on sensitive skin. It reduces your skin oiliness and to clear your skin in the right way. It prevents further breakouts. It contains salicylic acid. This acne-fighting face wash is sure to leave you with healthier skin. So, number 5 is Pond's Oil Control Skin Mattifying Facial Foam. This is a great affordable face wash for those with combination oily skin. It effectively cleanses the skin, removes excess oil, and manages to remove light makeup as well. It lathers very well and is very easy on pocket. So, number 6 is ZA True White Cleansing Foam Face Wash. If you are looking for a cleanser which not only makes skin purified but also brighten it up, this ZA face wash is worth trying. It effectively removes grime and daily dirt from the face and also adds an instant glow to the face. Number 7 is Body Shop Tea Tree Foaming Cleanser. Is a refreshing instant foaming cleanser for acne prone skin. It removes makeup and impurities. With regular cleansing, this product will help to keep skin blemish free, acne free, and also control excess oil. So, number 8 is Himalaya Herbal Foaming Neem Face Wash. Talking about oily skin, the best face wash in India, especially for oily and acne prone skin, has to be Himalaya Neem Face Wash. It is very affordable. The combination of neem and turmeric not only deep cleans the skin but also improves skin texture with regular use. This is an antibacterial face wash, so it will control and prevent acne effectively. So number 9 is Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash. All you need is a little drop of this cleanser as it lathers up very well, removing dirt and impurities. This is the one of the most popular face wash in India for oily skin. Also very affordable face wash, however strictly recommended for oily skin as it may dry out normal and combination skin type. So number 10 is Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. It is 100% vegan, SLS free, paraben free foaming face wash specially designed for oily and acne prone skin. You will love the gentle foaming refreshing experience of this face wash coupled up with mild exfoliation and unbeatable green tea fragrance that will leave you with feeling refreshed and energized. These are top 10 face wash I came up with. Let me know in the comment section which works for you the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share as much as you can. Show some love to my video. Thanks for watching.